Wow, isn't it gorgeous today? Woo, so clear and not too cold. Pretty good. Yeah. I had math today and chemistry. I couldn't have physics because I had a risk talk about risks you have while you drive. So now I know the risks. Wear your seatbelt. That's the most important thing, and do not drive too fast. I mean, look at the speed limit, and that's the most important things, obviously. Yeah, it was cool. So yeah, I didn't miss too much school. Not today. Just physics. Is it 4 o'clock? No, wait, I mean 2. What's the clock? It's 1:26. I don't know what the church bell is doing.